Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter Wet in the Forest. It is written by Dhriti K. Lahiri Chaudhary. Okay, he was a professor of English and an elephant expert. He journeyed over thousands of miles in the forests of India studying elephants. He wrote in both English and Bengali and published different books on elephants. Okay, so he was, you can see, an elephant lover. So he has written a chapter Wet in the Forest, and this chapter is also about an injured elephant that is separated from its herd. Okay, so it is given in your English Gulmohar book, page number 41, unit 5. Let's start. In April 1, 1991, the East Medinipur Forest Division in West Bengal sought the help of the Wildlife Wing of the Forest Department. A young elephant accompanied by a herd of more than 50 elephants was injured and could not walk well. All attempts to drive away the herd were unsuccessful, as the herd, after being driven away, always came back to rescue their injured teammate who was lagging behind. So what happens in April 1991, in the year 1991 in April, what happens that in the East Medinipur Forest Division in West Bengal, there's that state West Bengal, and in it there's a place called Medinipur. So in East Medinipur Forest, what happens that there is a herd of wild elephants, and one elephant among that herd is injured, so it has to be healed. राइट उसको सही करना है, उस एलिफेंट की को जो भी चोट लगी है जहाँ भी उसको सही करना है. बट द हर्ड दैट इज देयर विद द एलिफेंट, और यू कैन से द टीममेट्स, they are not ready to leave that elephant. They are not ready to leave that elephant alone because it is injured. एंड जब भी वो उस हर्ड को भगाया जाता है वहाँ से ताकि उस एलिफेंट को हील किया जाए, उसकी दवाई की जाए, क्या होता है कि वो हर्ड जाके भी वापस आ जाता है बार बार. दे कैन नॉट लीव देयर टीममेट अलोन. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस दैट द हर्ड इज कंटिन्यूअसली कमिंग बैक टू टेक विद देम देयर लैगिंग partner, you can say. Okay, we arrived at the rest house of Bishnupur forest. There were three of us, SC Dey, Chief Wildlife Warden of the state. So there were three people. One, SC Dey, who was the Chief Wildlife Warden of the state. Subrata Chaudhary, officer specializing in tranquilizing animals. So there was this another person named Subrata Chaudhary. Okay, he was the officer who was special in tranquilizing. Tranquilizing क्या होता है कि एक ऐसी मेडिसिन एनिमल्स पे इंजेक्ट की जाती है जिसकी वजह से वो एनिमल या तो काम हो जाता है, थोड़ा स्लो हो जाता है अपने एक्शंस में, या तो इट जस्ट गेट्स अनकॉन्शियस फॉर सम टाइम. ओके, and I, a hanger-on, and the narrator who is telling us the story, that is Dhriti K. Lahiri Chaudhary, you can say, he was there and he was a hanger-on. Hanger-on means जो एक ग्रुप के साथ होते हैं लेकिन उनका कोई खास काम नहीं होता. he is just there with the group and उसका कोई खास काम नहीं है. Okay, so these three people were there. It was getting uncomfortably hot. Though it was only the middle of March, the herd and the injured elephant were constantly moving. Hence, the local forest staff could give us no exact information about its current location. So what happens that it was very hot. Although it was just the middle of March middle का time था, but what happens that it was very hot, uncomfortably hot, means it was very uncomfortable. It was very hot, extremely hot, you can say. And the local forest staff, that they could not give the current exact location of the elephant and the herd where they were, where the elephant was injured and where the herd was there. Because क्यों नहीं दे पा रहे थे exact location? Because what happened that they were continuously moving, means एक जगह से दूसरे जगह they were continuously moving, so their exact location could not be given. We had just decided to inquire among the villagers when a young man belonging to one of the local tribes approached us and said he knew where the injured elephant was. तो क्या होता है कि ये लोग सोचते हैं कि local villagers से बात करेंगे. किस चीज़ के बाद इनको ये ध्यान आता है कि local villagers से बात किया जाए. There's a young man in the village. He tells these three people that he knows the exact location of the injured elephant. He knows where the injured elephant is. Okay, as the animal was unable to move much, the young man was branches of trees to feed it every day. We were enormously impressed. So what happens that this young man, how did he know that where the injured elephant was? Because since the elephant, the injured one, वो ज़्यादा चल नहीं सकता था, he could not move much, तो ये जो young man थे, he was taking wood, he was taking cut branches of trees to feed the elephant, ताकि वो elephant खा सके. And ये बात सुन के the people who came, the veterinary doctor, the person, the forest officials, whoever came to see the elephant and the herd, they were very impressed with it because he was helping the injured elephant. It was an area that was regularly ravaged by wild elephants during the crop season. The ones to suffer the most were the tribal people with their small plots of land. तो ये एक ऐसा एरिया था जहाँ पे जब भी क्रॉप सीजन होता था तो these wild elephants used to come and they used to destroy the crops, खा जाते थे सारे या फिर डैमेज कर देते थे सारे, and इससे जो villagers थे उनका बहुत लॉस होता था. ठीक है. The ones to suffer the most were the tribal people with their small plots of land, and yet here was a young man looking after an injured elephant. We decided to track the beast the next morning. तो क्या होता है कि that young man tells कि injured elephant कहाँ है, and इन्हीं elephants की वजह से इन लोग का इतना नुकसान होता था, their crops were destroyed, but he was still helping the elephant, and that is why the people were very impressed, and all of them, they decided that they will go to see the injured elephant the next morning. Our team was now joined by a veterinary doctor who had no previous experience of treating injured elephants, tame or wild. The villagers' report said that the elephant had an injury in one of the front legs. Taking one step was agony for the animal. So what happens that there was a veterinary officer. Veterinary officer is a person who treats animals. Okay. So he had no experience in treating elephants, neither tame elephants, means neither pet elephants जिनको काबू किया जा सकता है, and neither wild elephants जिनको काबू नहीं किया जा सकता है. Okay, he had no experience in treating elephants. And जो villagers थे वो बता रहे थे कि जो injured elephant है, his one of the front legs had an injury. उसके जो दो front legs होते हैं उसमें से एक front leg पे injury थी, and it was very difficult for the elephant to move. Agony मतलब very difficult, very much painful. Okay. The next day, our jeep bumped across forest tracks and fields to the spot where we found the group of enthusiastic young men had already gathered. तो जब next day, जब ये लोग उस wild elephant के पास पहुँचते हैं, so there are already many people around there. Okay. Yes, the injured elephant was there, all right, they said, but it was in the middle of the herd. It would be impossible to separate the animal from the herd and treat it. तो ये injured elephant वहीं था जहाँ ये लोग पहुँचते हैं, but what happened that it was surrounded by the herd. सारे जो wild elephants थे, इसके अलावा इसके जितने भी साथी थे वो सब इसके आसपास ही थे, and it would be impossible to treat the elephant in the presence of its herd. Why? Because they will not allow the people to come and treat that elephant. Okay. After some discussion, we had a bright idea. It was if we first chased the herd away, the injured animal would surely lag behind the fleeing herd. Explaining our plan, we asked the assembled villagers if they would be able to chase the herd away from the spot, and within a few minutes, the chase started. तो ये लोग थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कस करते हैं, एंड दे डिसाइड कि अगर हर्ड को वहाँ से भगा दिया जाए, ग्रुप ऑफ एलिफेंट्स को वहाँ से भगा दिया जाए, तो बाकी सारे तो भाग जाएंगे, लेकिन ये इंजर्ड एलिफेंट पीछे रह जाएगा. ये भाग नहीं पाएगा बिकॉज इट हैज़ इंजरी इन इट्स फुट, तो ये तो भाग नहीं पाएगा, तो तब इसका इलाज हो जाएगा. सो द विलेजर्स एंड ऑल द पीपल हु वर देयर, दे ऑल स्टार्टेड टू चेज द हर्ड. वो लोग हर्ड को भगाने लगे वहाँ से. We could hear the herd crashing through the forest, the chasing party shouting and bursting crackers till the sound died away in the distance. अब एलिफेंट्स को कोई कैसे भगा सकता है? जैसे गाय भैंस हो तो उसको हट हट करके भगाते हैं, बिल्ली को बिल बिल करके भगाते हैं, बट हर्ड को कैसे भगाया जाए, वो भी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के हर्ड, वाइल्ड एलिफेंट्स के हर्ड को. तो क्या किया उन लोगों ने बहुत तेज़ तेज़ आवाज़ करना स्टार्ट किया, फायर क्रैकर्स बर्न किए, जिसकी वजह से वो हर्ड भागने लगा, एंड दिस जो बर्स्टिंग क्रैकर्स के साउंड थे वो दूर होती गई, विच meant that the herd had gone away now. Okay, we set off for the spot in our jeep and with our two young friends as guides. Another 10 minutes we were there. The injured elephant was standing on the slight elevation just across a depression created by a dry stream. ठीक है, तो ये लोग उस वाइल्ड एलिफेंट के पास पहुँचते हैं, थोड़े से दूर पे ही थे ना, जब वहाँ पे उतना द इंजर्ड एलिफेंट was surrounded So what happens that these people they reach to the injured elephant के पास पहुंचते हैं वो लोग, and what do they see? They see that the injured elephant is standing in a slight elevation मतलब क्या होता है, जो थोड़ी सी ऊपर जगह होती है, आसपास की जगह जैसे प्लेन हो तो वो एलिवेशन थोड़ा सा ऊपर होता है. ओके, so the injured elephant it was standing in a slight elevation, and वो ऊपर वाली जगह क्यों थी? क्योंकि आसपास वाली जगह थोड़ी नीचे थी, है ना. तो नीचे क्यों थी? बिकॉज दे यूज टू बी अ ड्राई स्ट्रीम. इट इज़ रिटन ना दैट ऑन अ स्लाइट एलिवेशन जस्ट अक्रॉस अ डिप्रेशन क्रिएटेड बाय द ड्राई स्ट्रीम. तो एलिवेशन मतलब ऊपर, डिप्रेशन मतलब नीचे थोड़ा, ठीक है. एंड द डिप्रेशन वॉज क्रिएटेड बाय अ ड्राई स्ट्रीम. अ स्ट्रीम इज अ स्मॉल रिवर, ओके, रेव्यूलेट यू कैन से, एंड it had created a depression, and उसके ऊपर जो थोड़ी सी जगह थी वहीं पे वो injured elephant खड़ा था. Subrat was asked to prepare his syringe. His experience so far had been limited to tranquilizing mostly monkeys where time was not of the essence. He had therefore not thought of keeping the syringes ready. Showing admirable calm, he spread a cloth on the ground and arranged all the medicine on it neatly and methodically, taking all the time in the world. Okay, so what happens that there's this veteran who was the non-experienced veteran, जिसको experience नहीं था elephants में. He was preparing the syringes. मतलब syringe मतलब injection. He was ready to prepare the injection. Now he had mostly tranquilized monkeys. उसने अब तक monkeys को ही mostly treat किया था, जहाँ time इतना essential नहीं होता था, ठीक है. Now he had to treat a wild elephant, and if it was not done in time, the herd would come back and it would not let the elephant get treated. तो क्या हुआ कि he spread the cloth and he started preparing his syringes. That was taking a lot of time. Okay, taking care not to alarm the elephant any further, we urged Subrata in hoarse whispers to hurry. By that time a small crowd had gathered behind us, ready with a battery of advice. तो ये लोग जो थे, इन्होंने सुब्रत को एडवाइस किया that he should hurry because the herd might come back any time. And there were few villagers, and there was a crowd just behind these people who were ready to treat the elephant. There was a crowd there behind them, and कुछ लोग ऐसे नहीं होते कि आप कोई काम करने जाओ and they are ready with advices, although they will not help in any way, but they are ready with advices. So ये लोग भी काम करने जा रहे थे, and कुछ लोग पीछे ready थे. They were ready with a lot of advices कि ऐसे करिए, वैसे करिए, वैसे करिए तो सही होगा, ऐसे करिए तो सही होगा. करने कुछ नहीं वाले थे ये लोग खुद से, लेकिन they were having a lot of advices. Okay. By the time Subrat was ready, the frightened elephant had begun to move, limping visibly. Too many sal poles stood between us and the animal for an accurate hit. Subrat was forward slowly with his dart gun, and I followed to provide moral support and advice. अब जो एलिफेंट था वो थोड़ा थोड़ा मूव करने लगा था जब तक ये लोग सारी चीज़ें रेडी कर रहे थे. द एलिफेंट हैड स्टार्टेड मूविंग स्लोली, एंड देयर वर मेनी साल पोल्स. साल इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ ट्री. ओके, सो बहुत सारे ऐसे साल ट्रीज थे जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी सारा मतलब स्पेस था कि ये लोग एलिफेंट को इंजेक्शन उसके पीछे से मार सकते थे, ठीक है. दे डू नॉट गो एंड put the injection in the elephant's body or the wild animal's body. They just shoot it with a gun. Okay, gun में injection भर देते हैं, dart gun कहते हैं उसको. gun में injection भर देते हैं and they shoot it, and the injection goes and hits the injured animal. Okay, or the animal that has to be taken care of. Okay, so they were ready, and Subrat was going to hit the elephant with his dart gun, and the other people and the speaker especially, he moved with Subrat forward just to give him moral support कि भाई हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आराम से करो, हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So suddenly the elephant stopped. I clutched Subrat by his shoulder and whispered into his ears, "Fire." तो अचानक से वो एलिफेंट चलते चलते रुक जाता है, and the speaker he whispers into Subrat's ear that now you can fire the dart gun. Okay. Up came the dart gun. The animal winced slightly and pricked by the dart quickened its pace. We quickened ours accordingly. In about 5 minutes, its hind legs bent under its body, and then it slowly fell over sideways and lay on its side. Now, the people, these two, they shoot the Subrat. He is the veterinary doctor. No, he shoots the dart gun, and the elephant gets hit with it. And then what happens that अब जैसे ही उसको वो इंजेक्ट होता है the elephant starts moving quickly, that उसको वो दर्द फील होता है and he has to move faster. The elephant does not know, starts moving faster, and what happens that the tranquilizer it starts getting infected into the elephant's body. जैसे ही वो वर्क करना स्टार्ट करता है, the elephant slowly falls sideways, वो अपने साइड की तरफ गिर जाता है slowly, and now it is ready to be treated. अब तक उसको क्या किया जा रहा था, ट्रैंक्यूलाइज किया जा रहा था, बेहोश किया जा रहा था या काम डाउन किया जा रहा था ताकि उसका ट्रीटमेंट हो सके. We approached the animal and closely examined its eyes. The breathing was regular, means all the people who were there, they approached towards the animal and they examined the eyes of the elephant. The breathing was also fine, it was regular, it was normal. There appeared to be no immediate cause for worry. एकदम से वरी करने की कोई बात नहीं थी, उसको बस थोड़ा सा चोट था. The vet confirmed that the body temperature and the pulse rate were normal for the elephant. A body temperature, pulse rate भी normal था. But there was a frightening large abscess around the left knee. तो left जो elephant का knee था, front left knee, उसके वहाँ पे एक abscess हो रखा था. Abscess मतलब आप कह सकते हो फोड़ा जैसा, जिसमें पस जमा हो जाता है, ठीक है. So it was there in the left knee and it is very painful. Okay. The vet got to work. The deep cut across the swollen part of the leg brought out a flow of black blood. तो जैसे ही वो deep cut करते हैं उस abscess पे, it lets out a flow of black blood. Black color का blood निकलता है. There was no other visible injury on the elephant and nothing inside the wound. The animal must have got injured stumbling over a cut piece of bamboo or a sal stump. तो क्या होता है कि ये लोग ऐसा अज्यूम करते हैं कि हाउ द एलिफेंट मस्ट हैव गॉट हर्ट, वो कोई बैम्बू स्टिक रहा होगा जिसका कोना या कुछ निकला होगा, उससे उस एलिफेंट के लेफ्ट नी पर जो है चोट लग गई होगी, ठीक है. After the necessary treatment of its leg and a shot of long-acting antibiotic, we bandaged the leg more for visual effect than as part of the treatment of its injury. तो अब जो है ये लेफ्ट जो नी था इसका जो एब्सेस था उसको कट कर दिया जाता है, इसमें से जो गंदा खून था वो निकल जाता है. एंड नाउ दे बैंडेज द लेफ्ट नी एंड इट इज़ मोर लाइक दिखाने के लिए फॉर द विजुअल पार्ट दैन इट वॉज एक्चुअली नीडेड. ओके, तो जब भी जैसे हमें कोई चोट लगती है, सो वी बैंडेज दैट पार्ट, वी पुट बैंडेजेस और वी पुट ऑइंटमेंट्स, राइट. बट एनिमल्स दे डू नॉट डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड उन्हें जैसे भी चोट लगती है इट गेट्स हील्ड नेचुरली, राइट. तो बट ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये लोग उसको उस एरिया को बैंडेज कर देते हैं प्रॉपरली. We knew perfectly well that the bandage would not stay more than a moment once the elephant was on its legs after being revived with the antidote. तो अब तो उसका एब्सेस ठीक करा दिया गया, उसकी इंजरी ठीक हो गई. बट एंड द पीपल हु वर ट्रीटिंग इट दे ऑल्सो न्यू दैट अब जो बैंडेज है वो ज़्यादा देर रुकेगा नहीं. वंस द एलिफेंट स्टार्ट वॉकिंग द बैंडेज विल फॉल ऑफ ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि वो नी पे था एंड नी इज़ अ कर्व. सो एज द एलिफेंट विल स्टार्ट मूविंग द बैंडेज विल गेट लूजेंड एंड इट विल जस्ट कम डाउन. ओके, तो एंड हाउ विल द एलिफेंट स्टार्ट मूविंग ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, बिकॉज इट विल बी रिवाइव्ड. उसको फिर से जगा दिया जाएगा विद एन एंटीडोट. एंटीडोट क्या होता है, जिससे लोगों को एक ऐसी दवा आप कह सकते हो जिससे किसी को होश में लाया जाता है. इससे पहले हम लोग ने क्या पढ़ा था, व्हाट वाज इट, इट वाज द ट्रैंक्यूलाइज़र, ठीक है. तो ट्रैंक्यूलाइज़र की वजह से वो एनिमल जो है इट बिकम्स काम और इट बिकम्स अनकॉन्शियस, एंड एंटीडोट की मदद से वो जो ट्रैंक्यूलाइज़र का इफेक्ट होता है, जो दवा की इफेक्ट होती है, वो कम हो जाती है. ओके, we expected the medicines to wear off any moment now, but the elephant showed no sign of waking up as any healthy elephant should do a few minutes after receiving the antidote. तो ये लोग एंटीडोट लगा देते हैं, but the elephant is not reviving, it is not waking up. उसको होश नहीं आ रहा है एलिफेंट को, as any other normal elephant would just get up and start moving, but this elephant it did not regain its consciousness. Okay. The ever helpful villagers who were watching us from a distance brought buckets of water from a nearby stream to pour onto the drugged animal to keep its body temperature down. जो villagers थे they were very helpful and they brought waters, buckets of water, बाल्टी भर भर के वो लोग पानी ला रहे थे पास की स्ट्रीम से, ताकि जो एलिफेंट का बॉडी टेम्परेचर है वो ठंडा बना रहे, वो ज़्यादा हीट अप ना हो जाए. ओके, They also brought back the disturbing news that the herd was back and was making quite a bit of commotion just beyond the stream. They also, the villagers, along with the buckets of water, they also brought the news that the herd was back. The herd of the elephant, it was back and it was making very much disturbance. Disturbance means it was causing damage, okay, right, on the other side of the stream. Okay, now the herd is back, right, and the elephant has to wake up quite soon. ये लोग वहाँ रुक भी नहीं सकते, अब उस elephant का treatment भी नहीं कर सकते. Now the herd is back and they have to go. The people who were treating the elephant, they have to go. उन लोग को हटना पड़ेगा वहाँ से, नहीं तो वो herd आ जाएगा. And it was already creating commotion. Commotion means you can say noise, disturbance and all that. Okay, just तहस नहस कर रहे थे वो लोग just on the other side of the stream. The elephant, having made a couple of unsuccessful attempts at lifting its head, fell back into a deep sleep, gently snoring. तो अब elephant को जो tranquilizer दिया गया था उसका effect ऐसा हुआ elephant पे कि it was just trying to wake up, लेकिन it was not able to wake up. थोड़ा थोड़ा उठ रहा था, फिर सो जा रहा था, फिर सो जा रहा था. Then again the elephant fell back to sleep and it started snoring. खर्राटे लेने लगा. Okay. As responsible managers, we should have stayed around for the moment of its revival. Unfortunately, there was not one sal tree strong enough to support a mashan on which we could spend the night. अब ये सब करते करते रात हो गई and ये लोग उस elephant को treat कर रहे थे. So as responsible managers, what उन लोग को क्या करना चाहिए था कि जो एक एक वुड का एक मशान टाइप का बना लेते हैं जो एक पेड़ से ऐसे, इट इज़ लाइक अ प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके, इट इज़ लाइक अ स्ट्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म. इट इज़ ऑन अ ट्री एंड देन दे कैन स्टे अपॉन इट टू लुक आफ्टर द एलिफेंट फॉर द एंटायर नाइट. रात भर के लिए वो लोग वहीं बैठ के उस एलिफेंट को देखते रहते, उसका ध्यान रखते. But there was not any tree strong enough there which could hold a mashan, जो उस प्लेटफॉर्म को होल्ड कर सके. ठीक है, so they had to leave. Clearly, it was not possible to spend the night on the ground with about 50 wild elephants with just a couple of 100 meters away, eager to come to the aid of their fallen companion. तो अब ये तो पॉसिबल बिल्कुल भी नहीं था कि वो लोग रात भर ज़मीन पे रहते, क्योंकि देयर वर ऑलमोस्ट 50 अदर वाइल्ड एलिफेंट्स एंड दे कुड बी, द पीपल कुड बी हार्म्ड बाय द एलिफेंट्स. ओके, the heat and our parched throats forced us to turn back. Parched throat means dry throats. There was in the beginning of the chapter only we read that it was very hot, so the throats of the people, they became dry, and the heat that was around and the parched throats, they forced us to turn back. तो अब ये लोग वापस जाने लगे. Reluctantly we returned to the jeep and went back to the rest house. अब ये लोग jeep में जाके बैठे and they went back to the rest house. The next day, to our relief, we found that the elephant had revived during the night and the herd had taken it away. So the injured elephant, वो सही हो गया था. It gained its consciousness back and it had gone with its herd. It was revived. Okay, so this was the story. A vet in the forest. There was this veterinary doctor in the forest who treated an injured elephant. And he was very, unexperienced doctor. He had never had any experience with elephants, but he treated the elephant and the elephant became fine. Okay, so I have marked the word meanings in the book and I'll be giving you the extra word meanings in the PDF. The dictation words are marked in the book. Children, dictation words you have to mark in the book itself, and the word meanings that I have marked in the book, and the extra word meanings that I'll be giving, all that you have to write and copy along with the question answers. And in the question answers you also have to write the questions. I think I do not need to repeat it every time. In the last video I did not say this and there were students coming up asking, Miss, we have to write the word meaning, Miss, we have to write the question answers or not. Yes, you have to write the word meanings and you also have to write the question answers. Dictation words will be in the book. Thank you, students. If you have any problem, then just, you have to put it in the comment section and I'll be answering your queries. Thank you, students. Have a good day.